Civilization is not a grand narrative, it's about the choices you make every day. Core question. Why does civilization seem distant, but in reality, it's embedded in the way you eat, walk, speak, and learn? Many people think that civilization is far from them. It seems to live only in history books, in monuments, in nations, in great figures. But in reality, civilization lives in you, every day. In the way you eat, in the way you walk, in the words you choose, in your listening, in how you react to conflicts. Civilization is not about great events, but about the sum of small actions. You choose whether to be patient, whether to respect others, whether to learn, whether to reflect. This is how civilization works. So, civilization is not left behind from the past, but what you are continuing. Civilization is not a story, it's a habit. When you choose to act with kindness, you allow civilization to continue today. The everyday is not trivial. It's a real-time reflection of your consciousness. Core question. Why do the things you do daily reflect the external manifestation of your inner rhythm? We often think that the everyday is full of trivial things. Eating, washing dishes, walking, sending messages. It seems like nothing is happening. But in reality, the everyday is not empty. It's the real-time reflection of your consciousness. How you do the small things reflects how you face the whole world. People who walk in a hurry probably live in a hurry. People who eat distractedly often struggle to settle down. The repetitive actions you do each day are the external rhythm of your inner order. So, the everyday is not wasting time. It's the most sincere projection of your true self. Your day is actually a film of your consciousness. You don't need to reshoot, just learn how to watch it. The power of civilization lies not in knowledge, but in how you live. Core question. Why does true civilized ability come from life structure, not knowledge reserves? We often think that civilization comes from knowledge. The more you know, the more civilized you are. But true civilization is not about what you know, but about how you live. Can you respect time? Can you take care of yourself and others? Can you maintain order in complexity? These are harder than knowledge, and they show a person's true level of civilization. Civilization is not a pile of theories, but a structure of life. When a society learns to live with rhythm, with measure, and in harmony, that's true civilization. Knowledge makes you smart, but the way you live decides if you are truly civilized. Civilization is never about how much you've learned, but how you choose to live. Rituals are not just formalities, but training for a sense of structure. Core question. Why do rituals help stabilize the mind and create order in life? Many people think that rituals are just formalities, but in reality, rituals are the earliest human training for structure. Every morning you wake up, make a cup of coffee, dress and leave. These simple actions actually tell your brain a day has begun. The sense of ritual is not for others to see, but to bring time, emotions, and consciousness back into order. People without rituals get lost easily in chaos. People with rituals find peace in repetition, because rituals are not just actions, they are training for your inner rhythm. When you take life's small rituals seriously, you are actually learning how to position yourself in the world. The form fades, but the rhythm remains. Rituals are not for controlling life, but for allowing you to find yourself again in daily life. A sense of order is not about cleanliness, but knowing what you're doing. Core question. Why is life's chaos not about physical disorder, but about disconnection of consciousness? Many people think that order means cleanliness and perfection. The room must be tidy, the desk dust-free. But true order is not in appearance, it's in whether you are present within. When you know what you are doing, even if there is a bit of mess, you stay centered. But when your mind is scattered, no clean space can save you. A sense of order is actually the state of connected consciousness. You know you're cooking, you know you're walking, you know you're breathing. That's order. Life's chaos is never about physical disorder, but about forgetting to return to the present. Order is not perfection, it is clarity. When you are present, everything falls into place. Everyday aesthetics is not about how it looks, but how you treat life. Core question. Why does true aesthetics show in how you drink from a cup, fold clothes, or sit down? Many people think that aesthetics is about how it looks, but true everyday aesthetics is not about the brand you use. It's about how you treat life. The cup you drink from, the way you fold clothes, the way you sit, all reveal your relationship with life. Is it rushed, disordered, or is it gentle and respectful? Aesthetic beauty is not for display, it is lived. When you do something with care, the world responds with the same gentleness. Aesthetics is not decoration, it is attitude. How you treat life is how life will treat you. How you treat your body reflects how you treat civilization. Core question: why is body management, eating rhythm, and sleep quality the starting point of the sense of civilization? Many people think that civilization is a societal matter, but true civilization is never about collective slogans. It starts with the body. How you eat, how you rest, how you breathe. They decide how civilized you live. Disorder in the body often reflects disorder in the mind. Eating too fast, sleeping too little, not knowing how to rest. These weaken your sense of rhythm. Civilization is not just external order. It's about how you can live harmoniously with yourself. When you take care of the body, you are also taking care of the consciousness. The body is your first bridge to civilization. How you treat it determines your relationship with the world. Civilization is not far away. It is in every breath you take. The future of civilization begins with rebuilding the everyday. Core question: why is humanity's next civilizational upgrade not about technology, but about how we live? We always think that the progress of civilization depends on technology. New machines, new algorithms, new speeds. But what truly decides the future is not what we invent, but how we live. If people don't know how to rest, don't know how to listen, don't trust each other, no amount of technology can heal anxiety. The civilization of the future will not be faster, but more balanced. It's not an upgrade of metal and code, but a reconstruction of consciousness and rhythm. When people learn to live with rhythm, with warmth, and with respect, that's the true evolution of civilization. The future is not far away. It's hidden in our daily meals, in a greeting, in a breath. Civilization is not invented, it's recreated. By living again, consciously,